what's on my mind all the time is where we should be about now. When I say where we should be, I mean all the people on this planet. We should be where we should have been when we first appeared on the planet. I try to look at everything in what you might call the ballpark view of the entire world. What are we born for? What is everybody here for? And I say that we're supposed to be at the very least, something that I gave a term to, universal man, universal woman. At top quality. Why? Because we're in the universe, and we have been given everything that it takes to make our environment what it ought to be, make our interactions with each other what it ought to be, which I coined the term for that's in the compensatory codified counter-racist word guide, quality relationship. The quality relationship. I put that in capital letters. That's the type of interaction that we should have on this planet. All of the people should be in a quality relationship. So that's just a term. You might say a caption term.